to sync Google Drive with your computer. First, go to google.com/drive/download and download Google Drive for this step. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. You'll then be asked how you want to sync files. Choose between stream files. It will save space on your computer by showing all drives files, but only downloads them when you open them. Next, mirror files. It stores a full copy of your drive on your computer so everything is always available offline. Pick the one that fits your needs, then select which folders to sync. After setup, you'll see a Google Drive folder on your computer, just like any regular folder. Any file you add or change there will be automatically synced to your drive online, and vice versa. And so that's it. Now your Google Drive is seamlessly connected to your desktop.